it's mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric. Today we're going to take a look at this. This is a foldable 100-watt solar panel. It's really cool looking, so let me go ahead and unbox it. I'll show you what comes with the kit. We've got the main unit. Down here we've got some accessories. The panel itself is just a folding panel. It's 100 watts, 50 on each side. You'll notice on the sides here that it does have like little tabs so you can strap it down to something if you wanted to. And on the back, it's got these, which are Velcroed in, so you can lean it out. You know, you get to a campground, you can set that thing so it sits out, which is really cool. Also on the back, you got this, which kind of hides all our accessories. And there's our solar output. And it's got a couple different ways of working, right? So this plug here goes into those power packs, like the solar power stations. I've done bunches of reviews, Gear Tist and Bluetti and Oops or Opus or whatever, however it's pronounced there. I've got a couple from them that I'm put into the van. And it's one of the reasons that I got this thing was that this will go, I'm going to put 200 watts on the roof of the bus that we're building, but I wanted to have something so when we're set up at a campground and we want to run maybe a fan all day, we could have a dedicated solar setup just for that. And this will do it. So it comes with that. If you can see inside of here, it comes with like every adapter you could possibly imagine to hook to every one of those different power stations. So that's a really cool thing. It also has the direct connect, which is convenient if you're using a higher amperage load. And then also in here, and it's a little hard to see, but this little box right here is our charge controller. It does have a USB-C and a regular USB charging port as well, so you could directly charge a cell phone. Anything that's USB powered, you could directly charge off of that. So I find that really cool. This is the model HYD-T100, and let's see here the specs on it. 100 watts out, efficiency is 23%. Unloaded power is 18 volts, but that would be, you know, your 12 volts basically once it's under a draw. It can produce 5.5 amps at a maximum range, and the USB-C output is 3 amps, the USB-A output is 3 amps. So pretty cool. Temperature range from -10 to 65 degrees Celsius, so a good broad range. Tell you what I'm going to do, we got some sunlight here. I'll go ahead and I'll set it up in the driveway there, and we'll plug it into one of my power packs. I actually have one that's completely dead, so we'll let it charge for free right now today on this with this brand new 100-watt folding solar panel. Let's do it. All right, the sky's a little overcast right now, but that's okay. So all I need to do with this is figure out, let's see here. Here's our input here, and I just need to find the right plug for it. I think it's that one. Yep, first try. So there's the adapter, so I'll put the rest of those in the bag. You can see I've got it laid out. So I'm just going to unzip the main pouch. Grab my cabling. And that's it. You can hear it fire up right away. Just put all my spares in there. Right in time for the sun. So I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but 73, yeah, about 73 watts going into it, and that's not even in full sunlight. We have some clouds coming and going through here. There's 85, 86 as the sun peeks out from the cloud. So it's putting out about as advertised. You can't ask for much more than that. And this thing was completely dead. I should have taken a picture of that beforehand, but it is at like 1%. We had a power outage. And my wife wanted to watch TV on the side of the house that isn't controlled by our off-grid solar setup, so we use this. And I love these things for that kind of stuff. They're perfect for emergencies, perfect for backup power source. So I'm just gonna let it sit out here in the sun, and we'll come back in a few hours and see how well it has performed. All right, so it's been a few hours. In fact, it's been so many hours that the other unit, which was completely zero, is fully charged. And this one, which I think had about 82% left. Oh no, it had 32% left. Now it's at 53. So coming right along. Input right now is 60 watts. The sun is all the way over here, so I moved it over a bit. It's been an hour since I tested this thing.
Yeah, 74, 82, so there's 82 watts. So kind of got to move it as the day goes on, but that's nothing different from any other solar setup I've ever used. Overall, I'm really pleased with it. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get it. But these setups are very lightweight. They've come down in price to the point where it's probably not a bad idea for you to have something like this as a prep as we go into summer. I'll see you next time, my friends. Take care.